Hello, today I'm going to be making blue cinnamon. This is a blueberry jam that has cinnamon and a little bit of vanilla, some lemon juice, and obviously sugar and pectin. I'm using stick cinnamon today. I do have a modification in the recipe for those who need to use powdered cinnamon, because you can use that as well. The taste is just a little bit different, but you know, pretty equivalent. We're going to start out by cooking down the berries a little bit, just breaking them down. Add heat, start cooking them down, and once they start to break down, we're going to add the cinnamon and the pectin. And then once that comes to a boil, it should be nice and smushed up a bit by that point. Still some chunks of berry because this is a jam. At that point, we'll add the sugar, the vanilla, and the lemon juice. We'll bring that up to a rolling boil, hold it there for a minute, and then turn it off. And it will be processed after that in a hot water bath canner. And here's our blue cinnamon. It's getting back up to that rolling boil. So we'll be setting a timer in just a few moments. Before we put it into jars, I will fish out the cinnamon stick and set that aside. But then it'll go into jars and get processed just like any other jam. I am not going to videotape the canning process because my battery's almost dead. And really, you're not watching this video for the canning portion, you're watching it for the jam. And if you have canning questions or want to learn more about canning, we can definitely do a video on that. And I can also answer any questions people might have on canning and how to do it and all that.